how to connect Shopify to Wix website. Now, many of the other tutorials are super fast and I couldn't follow them, but this is how we do it. From the Wix dashboard here, we want to scroll down until we see automations and just choose this option here for automations. And once we have selected it, we will go to new automation. Now right here, we can search for Shopify and nothing will appear, but that's what we wanted because we want to start from scratch. Once we have selected this option, then we will choose inbox and chat here as an example, or you can choose whichever one you would like, which would fit your needs. But the important part is this one. Under action, we have to click on connect to Zapier. If we click on this option, then we can select activate here. Now, once we have clicked on activate, we have to set a name for it. So I'm going to do Shopify and I will simply click on save here. Now this prompt will show up. We have to click on go to Zapier. And here, if you don't already have an account, you can just log in with your Google account. But here's what we do. We click on create and we go to Zaps. Once we have selected Zaps, first we need to set a trigger. So what happens to activate the action? Here I will click on trigger and just search for Wix and select Wix here. Now for the event, we have to click on choose an event here and we have to select what actually triggers this. So we can do bookings, chat and inbox, forms, e-commerce, but I'm going to do chat and inbox. And then right here, you will see an option for your account. You have to click on account here. I'm just going to reconnect this. So it's going to look like this. You will have to connect to your Shopify or to your Wix account. And you have to just click on agree and add. I already have this added, so I can't do it again. But basically, we just have to set our account here. And now we have added Wix. How do we integrate Shopify as well? We click on action and you should be able to see Shopify here. If you don't see it, you'll just search for Shopify and click on Shopify. Now, again, we have to choose an event that triggers it. So for example, create blog entry, create customer, create product, and I'm going to do create or update customer here for the sake of this tutorial. And again, we have to go to account here and we have to connect our account. You should see an option here. Basically, you just have to log in and then you have to type out your URL for your store here. And I will show you how I can reconnect it. So I'm just going to click on reconnect and then it will ask us for our URL right here, which we have to type, and we click on yes, continue to Shopify. So after we have set this action, then we can click on continue. We can add all of the additional information here. And after we have set this and set all of this up, we can click on publish. And then if we go back, then this will show that we have successfully integrated Wix with Shopify or Shopify with Wix. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.